Okay, we're at the ironing board now. I want my iron just as hot as I can get it. And I want to make sure that none of my strips are bowing. I don't want them to bow out any. Right here I have kind of a little bow. So by steaming it, it kind of helps straighten it out. If you need to, I buy the Best Press, and I get it from Joann's. I spray it, and that just helps the steam a little bit. And I just run my iron over it slow, kind of moving it where I need it to move if it's bowed out, just to get it straight. Because I want my strip as straight as I can get it. That is probably your most important thing, is to have the strip straight. And really all you have to do is just use a lot of steam. Just take your time and iron all of them. All the ones that you have in sets of twos. Okay. Tomorrow I will come back and I will show you what to do once you get all your strips sewn into sets of twos and ironed. I'm going to show you, I will be back tomorrow to show you what to do to your strips then. Thanks for watching.